A drum, it's the heartbeat of our Mother Earth. And so when we're drumming and we're singing those traditional songs, it's connecting us to who we are as Native people.
Every time you hear it, when you go to a powwow or you hear a drum, you always feel some sort of connection to it. You feel the vibrations coming through it.
Hi, 2 years.
This evening, our Eastside Native Education Program are making 14-inch drums.
Put the smooth side down and then put your rim on top.
There's a frame and then there's a deer hide that we're stretching over the drum, and then they use sinew to tie the deer hide onto the frame.
I don't know if we were supposed to do it.
A lot of these families, this is the first time they've ever made a drum.
This is too loose.
This is something you know your ancestors played. Something that's been around for thousands of years.
That's all right, yeah.
Nicely done.
Right now, I'm just trying to get it tight.
I have to keep undoing the knots to make sure they're not too tight.
What you're going to be learning today is so crucial to our people. No matter where you go, our people have some form of this relative of ours that you're going to be creating today. In our way, drums are a living thing.
It's part of our culture.
Drum in Lakota language is Chingawa.
How you say it in Chickasaw is Ishtalipa.
I speak Lashitsi,
All right, we're
and
getting towards the last step for some people.
how to say drum in my language is Sadi.
In my Okanagan language, I'm from Osuyas Indian Band, it's Pumateen. Very nice.
The first project I made when I came to ENAEP, and I was kind of learning I am Native American, is making a deer hide drum, and I've enjoyed it. I love playing it. So having another one in a way to my collection per se, I always love. It makes me feel closer to what my ancestors pretty much did as well.
It makes my heart happy. Our children are sacred, and when they're able to participate in a cultural activity like this and come together as a community, especially during the pandemic, coming together, sharing our cultural ways is healing. Even our drums are a protection to us because it keeps us connected to our ancestors. It keeps us walking in a good way. And that's what it's about, walking in beauty.